the much dreaded Akogoli. So now Robinago, Akogoli, one Arobinago. And now this goes to one, all these OnlyFans girls. You start spirituality today. The next thing, spirituality somehow tell you say, in day fine. Today do waiting go reduce your spirit to share your secret society, the secrecy of you, your cult, to share them to the world for money, to put a price on your prized possessions. Akogoli, na spirits way they waka everywhere. If you come outside for village square, you go see Akogoli. If you go club, you go see Akogoli. If you just waka careless, come outside, you go see Akogoli, right? And Akogoli get money. Akogoli get things. Akogoli na fiozo, but to the kill person. And then when they na more Arobina go Akogoli, na top photo. One of my dudes, yeah. I told him, yo, bro, it's irresponsible, it's indisciplined. Like, because you're going to put niggas in trouble with that kind of behavior. Niggas, they follow you, they irresponsible. Bro, with a smirk, right? Smiling, told me, na him way. I told you, you are irresponsible, and you are telling me it's your way. So, and a big masquerade, yota. A big masquerade, no question. And, yota, so, kwandebo na ofogoli, akogoli, but more funny iti. Kama na onya akogoli na atoto. One bu na niggas go to die around you. Yota, because akogoli bu money bu madu, niggas go to fall around you, they die. Abulo ajo mo, Robina go ajo mo ko. Since it be say anywhere where you see go akago, say akogoli they wonder about. Since it be say the first Robina go where you go run into na Akogoli, because anywhere where you go see him. Before a baziani nime, iwe fuaro, iwe fuora, yota, ibaziani mi iwe fuora. Man, the first one here for Barobia Akogoli. So you now we just fall into spirituality through waiting, you know, if you explain. Definitely not through your ancestor spirituality, no, some in the zodiac sign where you know if you explain thing, group of people where you don't understand. Check well whether waiting you they do no be Akogoli, whether the spirits way dominate your spirituality, your spiritual practice no be Akogoli spirits, and then start to realign to actually having aura, ezumezu, that care about you, because the surface na Akogoli. Sound like a broken record. This also goes to street boys. Akogoli get money. Now person where they Jones will go give you money. You know what I'm saying? No be person. Onion more a man lilia. Yota. So y'all should know that a lot of the spirits y'all play with, y'all do business with Akogoli. Right? It's hard to see street boy, yeah. Wait, guy, me personally, I no go like do work. Please bring work. You know what I'm saying? Please bring work so that we give it to people that I trust, right? They will know how to do their thing. But me personally, I don't like touching the spirits of, interacting with the spirits of, performing sacrifice for the spirits of street boys, because Akogoli, they always come up for their alpha, for their spirits. If you do ritual finish for them, go sleep for night, niggas go pull up on you, collect your phone. You will go first wake up like this, you go they fucked up, like you first start to the reason, you know what I'm saying, how to first retrieve your phone. So the thing to note, especially now, when you just fall into spirituality, the first people where you go see, the first spirits where you go run into, na Akogoli. And while Akogoli, they reward person because Akogoli get money to spend, you can collect money from Akogoli. Dibia, you know, go see Dibia outside, I want to chop on. You be like, say you want to go scam all these Swiss watch makers, all those horologers where they bad. You want to go scam those people. You guys probably access their email or something. You know, if you scam them, how would Dibia? In this Switzerland, so if I'm not going to go, na Akogoli, we go no, Ibiazia, care, and if focus so too much on the Ogu part. That's why you guys do come off from streets. If focus so too much on the Ogu part, Ogu carry Ogu, Obolo AI, ike kati ofu mbọsị onwe ko jilaki ya mebe ife solia ogwu kali ogwu oburu AI guy. So one thing really important for street boys, guy, if you dey into street, try put your money into another thing. You know what I'm saying? Try put your money into another thing. I'm not even telling you what you should do with your life or whether you should be in street or not. That's you and your spirit's P, right? If you people's ancestors put that, you people can be robbing. Who am I? I don't know anything, sir. But try to make you come out from that place. Sanitize. Have you heard my song Sanitize? Sanitize. Wash your hands, man. Sanitize. Also, I have new music, Nwa Uto. If you have a woman, Igoo Mmuo, play Nwa Uto and talk to her spirit. Tell her Nibo Akajiofo. More Akajiofo chips. Tell her Nibo Akajiofo. See how dokwasi wait on Ikenga na gwa adi. So give match my dokwasi your wait on Ikenga muare tete. Moke di no be muane beche bebe. Baby girl, from this very day I got you. I'm the war haters know I'm born in fire.